Here we are today, YouTube. This is another update for a Verizon iPhone 6 Plus that is currently on the reported list. As you can see, basically with any device, even though it's not a T-Mobile device, you can also run it on the T-Mobile Imei check status, in which if it's say blocked and with the other devices, then that means it's unpaid, but the other devices other than T-Mobile says reported, then rest assured it is reported. In which we're just typing in the captchas, in which this is 100% a Verizon wireless device right here. Just waiting for that to refresh. As you can see, has been reported lost or stolen, in which we're going to take it over to Swappa, in which 100% this is a Verizon wireless device right here. Same Imei that we plugged in on Imei check status, reported lost or stolen, but it is a Verizon wireless device, in which we're going to go ahead, we're going to pause the video, perform the service, in which this should be cleared off very fast. Okay, we are back now, and we have successfully cleared off the device. It's just, okay, we're going to actually re-pull back up Swappa. Because the thing is, like, when it comes to Verizon devices that are reported, when you check the Imei check statuses and web servers, it's still going to show up that it's reported lost or stolen, but 100% the device is cleared. Because like with Verizon Wireless, once it's cleared off, you have to call Verizon Wireless customer service, and which is definitely going to still show that right there on the T-Mobile Imei check status, although it's Verizon. But we want to show you something here too as well. When you go to the Verizon online prepay, as a matter of fact, this is also how you can tell that you can't activate the device. I say, just go to the Google and type in Verizon prepay activation, and you want to go to this one right here. Because trust and believe that if the device is unpaid or reported, and you plug in the same Imei on the Verizon website, it's not going to allow you to continue getting set up right there. It's going to say this device has been reported lost or stolen. You cannot activate it. Which once you plug it in, since this is a 4G device, it may ask for the SIM card, but if it doesn't ask for the SIM card, hold on just a second. Continue device setup. Okay, let's go ahead and repaste that in. See, because if it doesn't ask you for the SIM card to complete the activation by this being a 4G device, then it's gonna say device is lost or stolen. Contact Verizon. Trust and believe. If you go to Verizon activation site before you do this service, it's gonna state that right there. But once everything is cleared off on our end, you can 100% reactivate it back on Verizon Wireless, or you can use T-Mobile, because it blocks out on T-Mobile if it's a bad Imei reported Verizon device. Verizon iPhone 6 Plus. Our service is very, very fast. We can have that Verizon Wireless device cleared off for you within no time. Thank you for watching. Tune in and subscribe.